Hello, this is Amnesia. Welcome to Lesson 8. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make a key open the door. So let's start with the HPS file, because that's what it is. Basically, you copy the name from this file, from your map file, that you want it to be related to. Then instead of .map, .hps. Then go into it, and we're going to be creating the main voids of it. Then you're going to be adding voids as we go along. But the main ones you're supposed to have are these ones: on start, on enter, and on leave. On start is when you start the map, which is not going to be useful if you're going to go back to the map after you've finished with it and you've got to another map. And on enter is every time you enter the map, and on leave is every time you leave the map. So on enter is if you want it to happen when you go back to the map, or when you enter the map, so that it can happen again. So let's start with a listener, which is a callback. So it's going to be add, use, item, callback. Open and close, and remember semicolon. First parameter is going to be empty, because in this case we don't need it. Second parameter is going to be the key. I named the key door over here. So you just paste it over there. Third parameter is going to be the door you use it on. Mine's called mansion 1. Then next parameter is going to be whether you want to automatically delete this listener once you're finished with it. And now that you're finished with that, you're going to go to this website, which I have in the description, and I had in the description for the last couple of videos. So now we go and write my func and find the right one. This one is the right one. So we just take it from void my func, copy it, paste it. Should be string and in as item, string and in as entity, and then just open and close it. Now I just forgot something over here, so let's just fix that quickly. Inside this one, this parameter, just before true, you're going to name it whatever you want to name it. This is going to be used as this over there, like that. And then inside here we're going to tell it what to do when that interaction happens. You could be cruel and just not open the door when it happens, or make a monster appear instead. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to make it open the door. Now let's just copy it from here, just in case. So set swing door locked is right over there. You leave out void, because this is not a void. Not in this case. And now you replace string as name with the name of the door. Mine's mansion _1. Actually, it's mansion 1. Boolean ablocked. We're going to make it unlock, so it's false. Boolean ab effect is to see the effect, to be able to see the effect. So I'm going to set that to true. That should open the door. And then if you want to just remove the item, then we're going to remove the item right over here. Then you write your key. So the key that I used was key door. Then save it. We could save the map too. Now as you see, I set the door locked. That's under the entity tab. Just to quickly show you. Let's go to the door. If you don't know how to set it locked, you click the door, the tab entity, and then locked right over here. Now disable breakable is if you don't want the monster to break it. And I've got a monster behind the door, so I'm going to disable it from breaking and save it. Now it's not going to apply for now, but it will apply for later on. Let's just quickly open it and we'll break it. Too late. Okay, now you see that it's open. Okay. So that's how you use the key to open a door. See you in my next tutorial, which I'm not actually sure what it is going to be. So if anyone wants to know anything specific, please comment. And hopefully my next tutorial will teach you quite a lot. And I've got a special offer that I don't think anyone else is offering. People can send me their custom stories in case I have any problems, and I'll fix them up, maybe even program it a little bit. But if you want me to help you, then what I ask of you is just to subscribe. That's all. Really takes a couple of seconds and helps me a lot. So see you in my next tutorial.